Believe it or not, the made in Abba magic has reached our car wheels. From Travel Master Tyres currently hitting the roads to the massive news that Taiwan's Maxxis Tyres is setting up Africa's largest plant in Okwa East, Abia is officially the new industrial headquarters. Governor Alex Otti's enabling environment, especially 24/7 power from Geometric, is turning Abba Made into a global brand. Let's talk about the investment trooping into the Enimba city. If you think Made in Abba is only for fine boy shoes and tailored suits, you are living in the 1900s. Today, the news is rolling faster than a Formula One car. People are just discovering that Travel Master Tyres, yes, those rugged ones you see on tricycles and cars, are actually coming straight out of the Enimba city. But that's just the appetizer. The main course is that Taiwan's Maxxis Tyres, the 11th largest tire company in the world, is reportedly building a gigantic plant in Abia. Today on Wahala TV, we are discussing how Abia State is about to tire the rest of Nigeria with too much success. Let's start with Travel Master. For a long time, if you told a Nigerian that his car tire was made in Abba, he would check if his spare tire was still there. We have been so brainwashed to think that everything good must come from Obodo Ibo, overseas. But Travel Master Tyres has been quietly proving that what a man in China can do, a man in Abba can do better. And with Niger ruggedness added to it, these tires are built for our roads that sometimes look like the surface of the moon. They are durable, high performance, and most importantly, they are creating jobs for our brothers in Abba. When you buy Abba-made tires, you aren't just buying rubber, you are buying the spirit of enterprise. And honestly, these Abba tires can survive anything in this world. But wait, there is a gigantic update. The news that Maxxis Tyres from Taiwan is coming to town is the real revolution. Reports say the directors were already in Ohanku community, Okwa East, to inspect land for Africa's largest tire factory. Why are they coming? Is it because they like our jollof rice? No, it's because of geometric power. For the first time in forever, a part of Nigeria has 24/7 electricity. In the world of manufacturing, light is not a luxury, it's life. Maxxis saw the 24/7 light in Abba and said, why are we staying in Taiwan when we can build in the heart of Africa and save on shipping? If this plant fully commences operations, we are talking about thousands of jobs and a complete end to Tokumbo tires. We will be the ones exporting to the rest of the world. Now, let's talk about the gardener who prepared the soil, Governor Alex Otti. They say investors are like birds. They only land where it is safe and quiet. For years, Abia was a no-fly zone for investors because of bad roads, zero power, and Agbero tax systems. But in less than 3 years, Otti has turned the state into a VVIP lounge for business. He fixed the Port Harcourt road, he supported geometric power to detach Abba from the national grid, and he cleared the human barricades that used to frustrate businesses. When an investor sees that he can drive his truck on a smooth road and run his machines without a giant noisy generator, he doesn't need a prophet to tell him to bring his money. Foreign and local investors are not just coming, they are trooping. It's like a political rally, but with dollar signs. Do you remember when Dunlop and Michelin left Nigeria years ago? They said the environment was too harsh. They packed their bags and went to Ghana and South Africa. Today, we are seeing the reverse. While other states are still arguing about right of way, Abia is giving right of wealth. If Maxxis and Travel Master succeed, it will be a big shame to the people who said Nigeria cannot produce tires. It will show that the problem wasn't the Nigerian worker, but the Nigerian environment. Otti is basically telling the world, if you want your business to thrive, come to Abia. We have the lights, we have the roads, and we have the Abba boys who can fix anything. Imagine a future where every keke napep, every downfall, and every luxury bus in Nigeria is rolling on tires made in Abba. Imagine the internally generated revenue. Abia won't even need to look at the federal account allocation from Abuja. They will be the ones lending money to the federal government. We are also hearing about other plants like the beverage facility by Ultimum Beverages Group that just launched. It's like a chain reaction of prosperity. Once one big fish enters the pond, the others start jumping in. Abia is no longer a state. It's becoming an industrial continent. So, my people, are you ready to buy Nigerian to grow the Naira? Or are you still waiting for the ones made in Germany that were actually made in a backyard in China? Will you support the Abba revolution or are you a doubting Thomas? Drop your comments. Have you seen or used Travel Master Tyres? Are you excited about the Maxxis Taiwan deal? And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Wahala TV.